everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about broccoli, and I have a list of foods in different categories that are known to pair well with broccoli. So if you're looking for some new recipe or some meal ideas using broccoli, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beans in general, but especially cannellini beans, green beans, and white beans. Then there's beef, cashews, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, flax seeds, ham, hazelnuts, mung bean sprouts, nuts in general, peanuts, pecans, pine nuts, pork, pumpkin seeds, sausage, seafood, sesame seeds, soybeans, tahini, tofu, and walnuts. In the way of other vegetables that go well with broccoli, there's bell peppers, cauliflower, chilies, chives, garlic, ginger, greens in general, leeks, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, scallions, shallots, spinach, squash, and that includes both summer and winter squashes, tomatoes, and watercress. In the way of fruits that go well with broccoli, there's avocados, coconuts, lemons, limes, olives, and oranges. In the way of grains and grain products that go well with broccoli, there's breadcrumbs, bulgur, noodles and pasta in general, quinoa, rice, seitan, and wheat berries. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's butter and browned butter, cheese in general, but especially feta cheese, cheddar cheese, goat cheese, and Parmesan cheese, coconut milk, cream, and yogurt. And in the way of other foods that go well with broccoli, there's mayonnaise, miso, mustard as in Dijon or prepared mustard, oil, especially olive oil, peanut, sesame, and walnut oils, sauces like a cheese sauce or a hollandaise sauce, soy sauce, stock, tamari, vinaigrette, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar, rice vinegar, and tarragon vinegar, and wine as in dry white wine. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.